Welcome to the day D3 of this Productivity for Career Growth Challenge, part of Career Development series. So on day D3, I talk about urgent and important matrix. Now I open a mind map. Hope you are able to see this mind map. Urgent and important matrix. So what is this? So there are 4 quadrants. On this, the first quadrant, urgent and important. Then the next quadrant, not urgent but important. The third one, urgent but not important. Fourth one, not urgent, not important. What are these quadrants? What do they represent? Now continuing on the journey, how this is applicable in terms of career development, especially with respect to job search, etc. Let us take the example. And so this is how AS&OHO matrix. I expand this. Let us take the example of job search. Hope you are able to see this document. Fine. So the quadrant 1, urgent and important. Do it. There's nothing like plan it. Do it now. There's nothing like to-do list, etc. You have to do it. So this is a high priority actions and with time deadlines, and hence this is the topmost priority. You give a high priority. These are some of the activities with respect to the job search, like updating your resume so that it reflects your achievements as per the JD, and similarly attending network events. I'm not going through each and everything. It is hope everything is crystal clear on the screen. The most important thing is tailor your cover letter as per the JD, and if you have got a job offer, evaluate it so that you can negotiate to get what you deserve. So these are some of the high priority actions with respect to the job search, and using this U&I matrix. And if you have attended an interview, then follow up on LinkedIn or any other social platform. So that was about the quadrant 1, urgent and important. So next, quadrant 2, not urgent but important. So what you have to do is about, you have to plan, you have to schedule this. So what do I mean about this plan and schedule? Example, if there is an event regarding career development, so plan your calendar accordingly, plan your schedule also accordingly, so that you attend that event, whether in your place or outside. So you have to do that planning, and also so that you get free and so that you can attend that most important event. Updating LinkedIn profile so that your profile is all-star. So schedule what are the activities that you have to do so that you get the all-star profile on LinkedIn. Your roadmap, your career step-up blueprint, career success blueprint. And also building your brand, career brand, your personal brand, your professional brand. You have to plan, and what are the various steps that you have to take to build your brand in this era where uncertainty is a new reality. You have to be resilient. You have to build your brand, career brand. So you have to plan the various activities. So that is about the quadrant 2, some of the examples regarding your career development. With quadrant 3, urgent and not important. So what do I mean by this urgent and not important? So automate and delegate. You have to automate some of the activities and delegate. Like, so there are so many meetings in your office and you have been called. So what do? You delegate. You delegate to your junior, etc. He will also feel engaged. So that way you are also saving time. So this is how you delegate. So you delegate some of the other activities like making a monthly presentation to your teammate, to your colleague. And you can automate the other things using the various tools. So these days a lot of tools are available, and if it is taking a lot of time, so use the tools and systems so that you can automate, or that will save you time. On the personal front also, use this so that you can delegate and gain time. And apart from this, all these bill payments all can be automated. It will save you a lot of time and also headache of not missing the deadline. So this is about quadrant 3, some of the examples, so that you can put more time on quadrant 1, so that you do not waste more time stuck in quadrant 3. So this is how you will start gaining time. And quadrant 4, so what is quadrant 4? Which is neither urgent nor important. So what you have to do? So you get a meeting invitation in your office, so it is not aligned with your goal, or there is no clear agenda. So what do? You simply delete it. Yes, you have got an option. When you get a meeting invitation, you just decline the meeting invitation and tell clearly that this, you are called for a meeting invitation, but this is not aligned, and also there is no clear agenda, what is the outcome of this meeting, and hence I am declining this. So that you will gain time. And this is one of the main reasons why people spend a lot of time in the office attending meeting after meeting without any agenda. And hence when you start declining, so you give a clear message that, so unless there is a clear agenda and what is the outcome of the meeting, you will not attend. So this is also helpful for you to build up your personality and profile, and at the same time save a valuable time not attending those kind of meetings. And also there are various activities. You worry about future, you worry about the past, all those things unnecessarily. So do not engage in these activities, etc. and all distractions. So the art is have high priority actions, and then so that you delete all the low value distractions. So this is how you will be on your productive journey and achieve your objective. So what is the assignment for today? What is the task for today? Prepare your U&I matrix. So prepare this with respect to your objective. Your objective may differ with respect to the career development. Whatever I mentioned is regarding job search, but most of them will remain the same, whatever be the objective. So prepare your U&I matrix. So this is the day D3, the U&I matrix. See you on D4. Srinivas TR. I help engineers unleash potential and unlock opportunities, and help engineers back dream jobs, steep heights and job promotions, building their brand, career brand, professional brand, and your personal brand. See you in the next video.